Working under vehicles is awful. Oh, my neck's so sore. My hair just gets so dirty. Wish there was somebody that could help.
Are you tired of having your head in the dirt, oil, and clutch fluid? Nobody deserves to have their head in the dirt. Call a head holder today.
Are you tired of having a stiff neck and dirty hair every time you work under a vehicle? Watch as in 2 simple steps Head Holder can help you hold your head high. First, clear a spot for him. Then, allow him to reach for your head. It will make things that much easier. Stiff neck follow you everywhere? Don't worry, Head Holder can get into tight spots and will help you with any job you need to do. Call Head Holder for your 30-day risk-free trial of the Head Holder. If for some reason you are not satisfied with the product, you can get your money back on a 30-day guarantee. Don't take our word for it. Call the Head Holder.
This really hurts.
Thanks, Head Holder. Call Head Holder today.